My name is Michael James. I am the General Manager for DeepRoot Canada. DeepRoot has over 800 projects across Canada in every province and territory. We have been installing Silva Cells since 2006. In fact, Kelowna, BC was the first commercial installation in the world. DeepRoot has been involved across Canada in the renewal and upgrading of downtown cores for cities across the country. One of the really rewarding things for me was the Waterfront Toronto project, and specifically Sugar Beach. Those trees just really took off. That was a design that we worked closely with Claude Cormier on, and those trees are fabulous and really responded to the environment and the soil volumes. It's just such a great urban design and an urban space, and it was just really rewarding to be part of that. Canada's always been on the forefront of accepting this new technology and understanding the importance of large volumes of uncompacted soils for trees and the necessity to have those large volumes to be able to grow a large mature tree in a downtown dense urban setting.